my name is Blissful Melissa, and today we are opening up our Kinder beauty box. Now I'm not sure if this is April's Kinder beauty box or May's, but I'm just going to share it with you. And if we do get one in May, like another one this month, then I will correct this and this will be April's, I guess. I don't know. We're just going to put it as April's for now because I don't know. They usually come late in the month, but I know with everything that's happening, things have been delayed. So April's Kinder beauty box. So I have used almost all of these products. I'll give you a little peek at what we got. We got some highlighter, some scent stuff, some lip butter, cuticle oil, and some under eye cream. But we're gonna go more in depth with our little thing. So first we're gonna start with the nail and cuticle oil. So this is what it looks like. It's in a little rollerball container, really nice. So this is the Delilah, I keep wanting to say Delilah, it's not. It's Delia, it's D-E-L-I-A, okay? Organics. And it says, our hands are the #1 most used part of our bodies, and we often forget about their care. This cuticle oil is a blend of natural oils and essential oils that help hydrate, heal, and promote healthy nail growth. It soothes dry, irritated skin, deeply hydrates cuticles and nail beds, and its clean, refreshing, light aroma helps energize your mind and body. Now this, I use this. It's oh so good. It smells amazing. Now this, I have a little cuticle that I've been chewing on because sometimes it happens. If you get nervous or anxious or you're bored, I don't know, you chew on the skins around your nails. So this stuff, I've been putting on it, and so far it seems to be helping a lot. I mean, it's not red and it doesn't burn anymore. So that's a win. But let me tell you what this smells like. Like, I'm bad at describing scents because I can only smell things that are super strong. So anyways, this has the ingredients: sweet almond oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, rosehip oil, lemon oil, peppermint oil, orange oil, white grapefruit oil, lime oil, and spearmint oil. Very minty, very light. Like, it's, I can smell the lemon in it, and I absolutely love lemon scented things, but this is really nice. And I have noticed a difference. So I've used it for a day or two, and I have noticed that my cuticles and nail beds are a little more hydrated, not as dry and crackly as they could be. So that's a win. The next thing on our list is Fleur & Bee, the Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream in this cute little pink box. So it says, Fleur & Bee's natural anti-aging eye cream, Eyes Babies, is packed with botanicals, vitamins, and moisturizing ingredients designed to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This incredible eye cream lightens the skin around your eyes to give you that slept all night look. Eyes Babies is vegan, cruelty-free, and formulated without parabens, sulfates, or other nastiness. I appreciate that. Here it is, and I love the pink lid. It matches kind of my sweater pink vibe today. So here it is. I have not used this. So this is the only thing in the Kinder beauty box that I have not used. Whoa! Oh, that smells so relaxing. Very thick. Like, look at that. They were not joking. That is some serious under eye cream. I'm excited to use this. I love under eye cream so much. And you can never have too many. I mean, it's hard to go through them though, so I don't buy any because the Kinder beauty box never fails. Whenever you're getting low on one, they send you another one, and this is probably going to last a very long time considering how thick it is and how much there is in it. But I'm excited about it. The next item we have, ooh, these, I'm struggling. Elovi? I don't know. It is E-L-L-O-V-I. It's the lip butter. So it's perfect addition to your beauty routine. It's a highly concentrated 6-ingredient moisturizer that's so pure it can be eaten. The ingredients are ethically sourced and sustainable and selected for their magical healing properties. There's no water added, which makes it extremely rich, keeping your lips nourished and hydrated for days. All products are handmade with compassion in California, never tested on animals, and will stay vegan and cruelty-free for life. This is cool. So mine is the mint. lip butter. And in the package it shows lavender. I'm not a huge fan of lavender, so I'm glad I got mint. Ugh. The ingredients are macadamia butter, shea butter, coconut oil, sunflower seed wax, peppermint oil, and cocoa butter. It smells minty. I mean, it is minty, but look at it. It is so thick. I'd put it on now, but I have some lipstick on. But I put this on before bed, and oh my gosh, I swear I wake up and like my lips are still moisturized and smooth. Like I feel like I just put on chapstick. Like it's the craziest thing, but definitely recommend. I think this is only $5 on their website. So definitely go check it out. Don't know how you say it, but you guys are smart little nuggets. I'm sure you can type it in and look it up. Next we have the Kvass, either the Bronzing Lotion Glow Cream or Fairy Dust. Well, we got the Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter. And this says, the one-of-a-kind formula is enriched with artichoke leaf extract and evening primrose oil, which works together to adjust your skin's undertones and amplify your natural radiance. Unlike traditional pressed powders, this unique formula blends pigment with oregano, rosemary, and lavender extracts, creating a creamy feel that applies seamlessly and never cakes. The result is a high-impact, elegant finish that doesn't look glittery. I love this. So I'm wearing it now. Very subtle. I just put on a little bit because I've made the mistake before of like packing on the highlighter. So just done a little bit of it. And it's so nice. It's so creamy. Oh my gosh. Creamy, creamy, creamy. So that's the packaging. I love that everything's kind of pink today. And there it is. Oh, I can smell little hints of something. That's super nice though. Like, I'm not gonna put it on my finger because well, I guess I can put some on my finger. Look at that. Super shimmery. We're gonna add a little extra. But it's super shimmery, super, super nice. Like, oh my gosh. And just on my finger, it's like butter. Like, it's so soft. Oh my gosh. Now I have it all over my fingers. Oh well. That's so nice. And I'm super happy about that. So obviously, I tried it out today for the first time. But what do you guys think? Very subtle. I like it though. I think it looks nice. There's a lot right there because I just blooped a lot on there, but it is what it is. I got nowhere to go. And our very last product is the Inkling Scents. Here it is in this cute little green box. So this is the Unify Rule on Perfume. Now it says Unify is a fan favorite. Blackcurrant gives this fragrance a unique twist while grapefruit boosts your energy level. Musk flower and cedarwood provides a solid base, but Lily of the Valley softens and sweetens, leaving you feeling radiant and intriguing. All the Inkling scents are 100% pure oil, no synthetics or alcohol. I love that everything in the Kinder Beauty box is honestly cruelty-free. Vegan, I'm all about that. Like, I think that's awesome, but it's the cruelty-free that I'm very passionate about. But here it is. In this nice, it looks so elegant in this little silver bottle. Now, I wore this the other day. It smells like such an adult scent. Like, I know that sounds crazy. Okay. How do I word this? We're gonna put some on my wrist when I think about it. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Like, very evening. Like, if I were going to a show in the evening, you know, like to the theater or something, I would probably wear this, pop this on a little bit because you can keep it in your purse or something because it's small enough. This smells so nice though. I mean, I'm used to lots of fruity things because Bath & Body Works is literally all I wear. And I'm currently wearing, it's like their blackberry and basil perfume, so very sweet and very fruity. But this smells so different than anything I've worn. It does smell really nice though. I wish I could describe better what it smells like, but you're just gonna have to trust me that it smells amazing. How much was this little thing? So this was $25, which is not bad. I mean, this is gonna last forever. Like, honestly, with the rollerball, things like that, just, I feel like never go away. So there you have it. The Kinder Beauty box, that was for April. We're going with April. We're sticking with April. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I've been doing these on my Instagram story, but I decided to change it up a little bit. I may also put it on my Instagram story once the video is posted. So then, you know, you don't have to watch the whole video. You can just skip through that if there's one product that you're really interested in. And I'll probably post a little blurb from this like I usually do. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I do hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the little bell if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget, if you want to get your hands on your very own Kinder Beauty box, follow the link down in the description and check them out because they are amazing. I love, if you read like about the company, they stand for all good things. It just makes you feel better knowing you're buying products that are kind of better for the environment. And a lot of the things, not all of them, but most of them come in recyclable packaging or packaging that's been recycled. And sometimes they'll send you little coupons for things that actually are like seed sheets, so you can go plant it in the yard and it's like biodegradable and flowers will come up, which I think is really, really cute. So make sure to check them out and follow them on Instagram at Kinder Beauty. I think it's just Kinder Beauty. Yeah. I'll see you guys very soon.